Magic ring in crochet can be very frustrating to learn, but it doesn't have to be. I'm going to show you how easy it can be with 1.5 wraps and a loop. So we are going to make sure we leave a long enough tail, and we are going to wrap the working yarn around these 2 fingers. Holding the tail of the yarn with your thumb, wrap the yarn over and around these fingers, going around once for the first wrap and then just across the fingers for the second. Making sure that the second wrap is below the first, like this. Then we are going to hold the yarn in place using our spare fingers. Like this. Now with your hook facing down, pass it under the first wrap, and grab the second, like this. Turn your hook towards you and upwards. This will create a loop on your hook. Now, place your hook under your working yarn and pull it through the loop on your hook. You have now made your magic ring and can now let go of the yarn. All that's left to do now is the magic. Pull the yarn tail to adjust the ring. Let me show you again a bit slower. Without any talking. Once you've done this a few times, you won't even think about it. Learning how to do this will mean you don't have to work on just flat crochet pieces. Magic ring is used for working in the round and means you will be able to make motifs, stuffed toys, tubes and much more. You will usually make a ring and then crochet your stitches into it. Here I will make 6 double crochets into the ring. You then join your last and first stitches with a slip stitch and chain 1, so you can then continue around the ring. You will then have a neat little ring of stitches that with a pull of the tail, you can completely close. Let's do it one last time. Wrap the yarn over and around 2 fingers, then over again, making sure it is behind the first wrap. Secure the yarn between your last 2 fingers. With your hook facing down, go under the first wrap and catch the second. Pull through. Now turn your hook towards you to make a loop. Go under the working yarn and pull it through the loop on your hook. Let go of your working yarn and pull the tail to adjust your ring. I really hope you found this helpful. Just keep practicing and you will soon get it. Let me know in comments if you do the magic ring this way, or if this has made it any easier. Thanks for watching.